Heart attacks remain the leading cause of death among women worldwide, yet most women still don't recognize the way their bodies signal early cardiac distress. Unlike men who typically experience sharp and unmistakable chest pain, women often suffer subtler, quieter symptoms that blend into everyday life: fatigue, indigestion, back pain, or unexplained anxiety. These warning signs can appear days or even weeks before a cardiac event, but they are frequently overlooked, dismissed as stress, or attributed to hormonal changes or physical exhaustion. As a result, countless women seek help too late. Understanding these early symptoms is not just beneficial, it is life-saving. Women experience heart attacks differently because their hearts function differently. They have smaller coronary arteries, making even minor blockages dangerous, but less likely to create dramatic pain. Women are also more prone to microvascular disease, damage to the tiny vessels surrounding the heart, which produces diffuse, hard-to-locate discomfort instead of the classic sharp chest pain. Hormonal shifts, particularly the decline of estrogen after menopause, weaken natural cardiovascular protection and alter how pain signals travel through the body. Stress, multitasking, and emotional load further complicate the picture, often masking the seriousness of symptoms. These biological, hormonal, and social factors make understanding women's heart attack indicators both urgent and essential. One of the earliest warning signs is unusual fatigue, a deep, persistent tiredness that lingers even after rest. Women often describe this as a heaviness throughout the body or an exhaustion that feels out of proportion to their daily activities. This occurs when the heart struggles to supply enough oxygen-rich blood to the muscles, forcing the body to conserve energy. This type of fatigue can appear weeks before a heart attack, yet many women dismiss it as stress or a busy schedule. Another key warning sign is shortness of breath, especially if it occurs during simple tasks or even at rest. Women sometimes notice they cannot take a deep breath or feel breathless while lying down. This happens because weakened heart function allows fluid to accumulate around the lungs, restricting breathing. Although often mistaken for anxiety or asthma, unexplained breathlessness, particularly when paired with fatigue, is a strong indicator of heart distress. Chest discomfort does occur in women, but it rarely resembles the stereotypical crushing pain seen in men. Instead, women often feel pressure, tightness, fullness, or a sense of heaviness in the chest. Some describe it as a squeezing sensation, while others feel an unusual weight sitting on the breastbone. This pressure is caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. Because the discomfort is mild or intermittent, many women ignore it, assuming it is acidity, gas, or stress. Pain that travels to the jaw, throat, or neck is another frequently overlooked warning sign. This happens because the nerves supplying the heart share pathways with those in the jaw and throat. During a heart attack, the brain can misinterpret the source of pain, creating a dull ache or tightness in the jaw, a choking sensation in the throat, or pressure under the ears. Women often mistake this for dental problems or muscle strain, but when these sensations appear suddenly and without explanation, they deserve immediate attention. Upper back pain, often centered between the shoulder blades, is one of the most commonly misdiagnosed heart symptoms in women. Some describe the pain as burning or sharp, others feel it radiate across the back or wrap around the body. This pain often does not improve with rest or massage, and it may appear during emotional stress or physical activity. Because women frequently carry bags, lift children, or work for long hours, they assume the discomfort is muscular. In reality, it can be the heart sending signals through nerves in the spine. Digestive disturbances such as nausea, indigestion, or vomiting often accompany heart trouble in women. Many women misinterpret these signs as food poisoning, acidity, or stomach flu. The vagus nerve, which connects the brain, heart, and digestive system, plays a major role in this confusion. When the heart lacks oxygen, the vagus nerve becomes irritated, producing gastrointestinal symptoms that mask the underlying cardiac issue. Digestive discomfort that persists, intensifies, or appears with fatigue, sweating, or breathlessness should not be ignored. Cold sweating or clamminess is another alarming sign of cardiac distress. When the heart is deprived of oxygen, the body enters an emergency fight or flight mode, rapidly activating the sympathetic nervous system. This leads to sudden cold sweat, pale skin, and an intense feeling of unease. Women often brush this off as stress or hormonal fluctuation, but cold sweating without reason, especially if accompanied by dizziness or discomfort, is a medical emergency. Many women also experience dizziness or a sense of faintness before a heart attack. This can feel like the room is spinning, like the body is losing balance, or like consciousness might slip away. This symptom occurs because weakened heart function reduces blood and oxygen flow to the brain. While dizziness can occur for many reasons, sudden or unexplained episodes, particularly with chest or upper body discomfort, demand immediate evaluation. Pain that radiates down the arms, especially the left arm, is a classic sign of cardiac trouble. Women may experience numbness, heaviness, tingling, or deep aching sensations that come and go. The pain may shift from one arm to the other or move from the chest to the arms. This radiation occurs because heart pain travels through nerve pathways extending into the arms. Any new or unexplained arm discomfort should raise concern. A rapid or irregular heartbeat, often described as fluttering, pounding, or skipping beats, is another red flag. When the heart's electrical system becomes unstable due to reduced blood flow, arrhythmias can occur. Women might feel as if their heart is racing suddenly or beating out of rhythm. While palpitations can sometimes be harmless, those paired with dizziness, pressure, or weakness may signal a serious problem. Swelling in the feet, ankles, or legs can be an early sign that the heart is struggling to circulate blood efficiently. This leads to fluid buildup in the lower extremities, often becoming noticeable by the end of the day. Women may find their shoes feel tighter, or they may observe puffiness around the ankles. While swelling has many causes, persistent or worsening swelling can indicate heart failure or early cardiac stress. Sleep disturbances are another warning sign, especially when women wake up suddenly feeling breathless or anxious. During sleep, lying flat increases the pressure on the lungs and heart, making it harder for weakened hearts to pump effectively. Some women wake with a choking sensation or the urge to sit upright to breathe better. This nighttime breathlessness is closely associated with cardiac dysfunction. Unexplained anxiety, particularly a sudden, intense wave of fear, or the feeling that something terrible is about to happen, is another early heart attack symptom. This is not ordinary anxiety. It is the body reacting to internal oxygen deprivation. The brain senses danger and responds with a powerful emotional alert. Many women overlook this sign, assuming it is stress, overthinking, or hormonal imbalance. Persistent heartburn that does not improve with antacids or home remedies can also signal heart trouble. Because the heart and esophagus lie close together and share similar nerves, heart pain can mimic gastric discomfort. Women often assume this burning sensation is acidity, especially after eating. But when heartburn is accompanied by sweating, breathlessness, or radiating pain, it is far more likely to be cardiac. Sudden weakness in the arms or legs is another severe warning sign. Women often describe feeling as if their limbs have become heavy, shaky, or unable to support them. This happens when the heart can no longer supply adequate oxygen to the muscles. This weakness may appear abruptly, sometimes just hours before a full heart attack. Understanding the difference between early and emergency signs is crucial. Many of the symptoms described, fatigue, indigestion, sleep problems, or back pain, can appear days or weeks before a heart attack. Emergency signs such as chest pressure, severe breathlessness, cold sweating, or radiating pain may occur minutes or hours before. Recognizing patterns and combinations of symptoms is key to seeking timely medical care. Women with risk factors, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, smoking, thyroid disorders, menopause, chronic stress, or family history of heart disease, should be particularly vigilant. These conditions significantly increase the probability of cardiac events. If any concerning symptoms appear, especially more than one at the same time, immediate medical attention is essential. Women should never wait to see if it gets better. stopping activity, breathing slowly, and calling emergency services can save a life. Doctors often recommend chewing aspirin while waiting for help, if medically appropriate, to improve blood flow. Preventing heart attacks requires consistent lifestyle habits, regular physical activity, healthy eating, limiting salt and sugar, managing stress, avoiding smoking, prioritizing sleep, and keeping cholesterol and blood pressure under control. These habits strengthen heart function and reduce the risk of sudden cardiac events. The most important message every woman must remember is simple but powerful. Your body always speaks. It whispers before it screams. Fatigue, discomfort, breathlessness, indigestion, or unusual pain are not signs of weakness or aging. They are signals. Listening to those signals, recognizing them, and acting quickly can save your life and the lives of the women you love. Awareness is the strongest protection women have against silent heart attacks, and today, you've taken an important step toward that protection.